Okay, I'm Prince Thulani, speaking on behalf of the royal family and the royal household. Today is the 17th of September and is the day of Umkhosi womhlanga. You know, this is a busy month. September, we started in Ngwavuma, where we had Umkhosi womhlanga, and the one which is in Ngwavuma was a special request to His Majesty by Umkhosi of Ngwavuma. So we saw that Umhlanga becoming very successful. In fact, we were expecting about 3,000 maidens, but we ended up having 6,000 maidens, which brings us today, as we are here. Maybe the maidens will also be doubled, in spite of the fact that there were some rumors that there will be security problems. But the police have actually affirmed and confirmed that the security will be priority. All the maidens will be safe. So what is going to happen here? There is a place where womhlanga is put. Now the maidens will wait for a princess, the one who is the first one to take the womhlanga. Once he takes the womhlanga, the other maidens then, according to districts, as we have about 10 districts and a metro, they will then follow the princess, who will go right into the palace to the king. Now she's the only one who's going to give the king the womhlanga to the king, and then after that, all the other maidens, there is a special place that has been prepared for the reed dance, for the reed, Then they will put the reed in that special place. After that, they will come back to the arena here. That's where there will be speeches, and the keynote address will be done by His Majesty, who will then give him a word of advice, appreciation, because when you educate these young women, you educate the nation. So that's what the king is going to give to the women, the young women here, how to behave, how to become good citizens of our country.